I just want to thank you all for allowing me the opportunity here to the host to be able to speak to you guys. I'm going to talk about Aligned and our sealing service. I'll give you a brief overview of who we are. Maybe if you haven't heard about us. Our sealing service, we'll go over that briefly, how it works, our Lotus bridge, the requirements to connect, and then talk about the additional services that we provide with our partners globally that you can take advantage of. So Aligned is at the core, we're a high performance compute company offering computing solutions. Our team comes from a background of big data processing, where we design our own chips with accelerators using field programmable gate arrays. And we do this in our fab in Ohio. And essentially, we offer compute solutions as a service. And so what we've done is we've developed a Filecoin sealing pipeline managed by our team in the USA. And we have essentially significant sealing compute available to storage providers that you can plug into and use over the internet. Now, the way it works, it's very simple. We have a Lotus bridge that you install. The Lotus bridge allows data to transfer between storage provider and our sealing compute, and it coordinates the communication. So with the Lotus bridge, essentially, we can pump in verified data. It does all the coordination on the communication layer. Through our partners, we can get you fill collateral, and essentially all you have to focus on is the storage. And so to deploy the Lotus bridge, it's super simple. You just install some software on your Lotus miner. You set some Lotus environment variables. We whitelist your IP, and you start sending jobs and receiving sealed sectors. It's a very, very easy to install. The technical requirements to get up and running, you essentially just need your storage with the Lotus miner, as you normally would, minus the sealing pipeline. So no sealing compute. All you do is you have your Lotus server, your storage, and then you have some minimal GPUs for window post and winning post. With regard to bandwidth, if you are plugging into us from China, for example, our experience is bandwidth 10 gigabytes will get you 50 to 70 terabytes per day throughput. So, and the way the Lotus bridge works, as I mentioned it, and I'll kind of say it again, it's just a daemon, and it runs virtually in the background of your Lotus miner, and it acts just like your local sealing pipeline. It just happens to send the data over the internet. And through our partner network globally, we can essentially get you everything you need for Filecoin, from your storage hardware to your sealing compute, as I just mentioned, through the internet, to collateral for loans on the pledge, to verified data, which altogether would be the infrastructure that you need to get up and running on Filecoin. We can offer that, all of it, through our partners, and we have great partners globally. We have amazing technical team. We have really smart guys, so we can offer technical support as well. And lastly, and very importantly, we can offer you business support and access locally here in the US. So if you are interested to learn more, please provide your information. You can always reach out to me on Slack at Svetly, or email svetly@align.co. Or you can use this QR code and fill out the form. Thank you very much for your time, and allowing me the opportunity to speak here. I'm very happy that you guys have put together this decentralized storage provider accelerator. It's amazing. Hopefully we can start to see more collaboration between storage providers and service providers globally. So thank you again.